National Weather Service in the state of California has issued a tornado warning for Kern County in South Central California. At 4:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Bakersfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outside, in a mobile home, or in vehicle, move to the nearest shelter and protect yourself from fly debris. This tornado warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for Kern County, California until 5:15 p.m. Stay tuned to local news media or No Weather Radio for the latest updates.